Good morning, folks. This is Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer, and I want to show you something that you may not have discovered yet. And if you have, it's at least worth exploring a little bit more. And it's called LinkedIn Company Pages. They call them pages, and it's the people section. Let me show. You go to Cisco. Just did a search for Cisco and went to the page. And here's the Cisco company page. And if you'll notice that this is what's typical, home and about, but insights for premium users. But look at this, the people tab. Unless you've previously done a search on this company page, it'll come back and show you all 87,717 employees that work for Cisco or have Cisco in their experience current field, the current experience field. But this is what's really neat. Let me show you a couple things. First of all, down below are all the people. And so if I go back to the top, show you this, I can go search for where they live, where they studied. Look at this when I hit next. What they do, what they studied, what they are skilled at, which is really interesting. Let me look at skills in company pages for people, which I previously did not have access to skills when in LinkedIn search, and how I'm connected first, second, and third level. But this is even just as cool. I can go up here and I can put a Boolean search in and hit enter, and just looking for VPs. Now if I just go look for in the Raleigh-Durham area, there's the 483 in Raleigh, and one more little search filter for me, how I'm connected, second level, 80 people. Second level in Raleigh, VP or VP and Vice President of Sales, working for the company Cisco, and now if I scroll down, there they all are. And so the really neat thing about this is it just shows it to us in a different presentation than the typical list. This is the block view. And then they're all. I can see the name, my connection, picture, their headline. This is their headline, how I'm connected to them. And here's something else that's really pretty neat too, is in previous versions of the connect button, it would just send out an invite. But lately, almost all of the uses of the connect button do this. Bring up the opportunity for me to customize this information and add a note. So it's just another quick, easy way to search companies and the people who work for those companies with some pretty decent filtering on a different page than the search page. Note this, LinkedIn Help claims that this goes against your commercial use limit. So if you're not paying for LinkedIn Premium, then you may run into the commercial use limit. I haven't experimented with that yet. I would just tell you to be wise with your filtering. Drive your list down as small as you can before you start scrolling through the list in the event that it does, in fact, start consuming against your commercial use limit. Company pages, people, basic filtering. Hope this is useful to you. Again, I'm Teddy Burris, your LinkedIn coach and trainer. Have a fantastic day.